Hey, it's great to see you. Are you having problems with those long sweeping curves, tight turns, or U-turns on your trike motorcycle? Watch this video and I will show you how to improve those necessary and very critical skills. And as always, let's ride. Welcome to my comprehensive guide on how to make turns on a trike motorcycle. Whether you are a beginner on your first trike adventure or a seasoned rider looking to enhance your skills, this video is designed to help you navigate turns confidently and with ease. Join me as we explore different types of turns and share step-by-step instructions. Stay until the end of this video and I will share a bonus tip with you that will help you master those turns on a trike motorcycle. So let's get started. So here I am at my brother's house in western North Carolina. You can see the beautiful background over there and of course the beautiful foreground here. And we're about to ride some curvy roads here, and we'll cover how to take those turns on a three-wheeler. I'll be taking the lead this time, and then I'll follow him and record him as he takes his turns, and we'll see you then. Trikes offer the best of both worlds, combining the stability of a four-wheel vehicle with the thrill and maneuverability of a two-wheel motorcycle. Riding a trike is an exhilarating experience, and mastering turns is a key component of unlocking its full potential. Basics of a turn. Unlike a two-wheel motorcycle, turning a three-wheel motorcycle is similar to turning a tricycle. Steer in the direction you want to go. The most important thing to remember when making a turn is to slow down as necessary before the turn. This is accomplished by rolling off the throttle and or using the brakes. Downshifting to a lower gear may also be necessary. Always set a good entry speed, which is a speed that won't require you to slow further while in the turn. Look through the entire turn and keep your eyes moving. Evaluate the turn for its characteristics, surface condition, and traffic. It helps to turn your head to face the direction you want to go. To initiate the actual turn, use push-pull steering to point the front tire or tires in the direction of the turn. Pulling on the left hand grip while pushing on the right will cause the three-wheel motorcycle to turn left. Pulling on the right hand grip while pushing on the left will cause the three-wheel motorcycle to go right. Try slightly twisting your body towards the turn when using push-pull steering. This should make it easier on your arms. And you may find that it's more comfortable to lean slightly forward and in towards the turn when turning at higher speeds. A slight roll on the throttle will help you keep from losing speed as well as setting you up for an upcoming straightaway. I'm falling off! You're riding along and you start to initiate a turn. Suddenly, you feel like you're falling off the trike. Don't worry, this is nothing you did. It's physics and it's the centrifugal forces at work. Your motorcycle is moving at a constant speed, and as it turns, your body feels the effects and tends to lean towards the outside of the turn. There are techniques you can use to counter these effects, and I'll discuss them in a minute. Wide turns. Picture yourself cruising along a scenic coastal highway, feeling the freedom and power beneath you. As you approach a sweeping curve, it's essential to prepare for the turn. Begin by gradually reducing your speed, allowing your trike to settle into a comfortable rhythm. Lean slightly forward and in towards the turn when turning at higher speeds. Look ahead, scanning the road and visualizing your path through the turn. With a relaxed grip on the handlebars, initiate the lean into the turn, gently guiding your trike along its arc. Feel the harmony between you, the machine, and the road. As you exit the turn, gracefully straighten your body and allow the trike to regain a straight direction. Now, let's conquer tight turns. Imagine yourself being in a bustling city, maneuvering through traffic, and navigating tight turns with finesse. As you approach a narrow bend, it's crucial to adjust your approach. Gradually reduce your speed, allowing ample time to assess the road conditions and potential obstacles. Position your body toward the direction of the turn, ensuring a clear line of sight. Press your thigh closest to the turn against the gas tank. With a steady throttle, maintain control and confidence as you lean slightly forward and into the turn. These techniques will counter the effects of centrifugal force by forcing your body towards the turn. Keep your eyes focused on the path ahead, swiftly gliding through the corner. As you exit the turn, gradually straighten your body, letting the trike gracefully regain a straightaway orientation. Now we'll discuss U-turns, a skill that showcases your control and mastery of your trike. U-turns are very easy to do on trikes, but you must keep several things in mind to complete this maneuver. Imagine you're attending a gathering of trike enthusiasts and you need to navigate a crowded parking lot to join your friends. U-turns can be challenging, but fear not. With practice, you soon conquer them. Begin by identifying a wide enough space to execute the turn safely. Reduce your speed and position your trike perpendicular to your desired turning direction. Shift your gaze to where you want to go and visualize the smooth arc of the turn. Slowly and deliberately, turn the handles in full lock in the direction of the turn. Utilize your body to guide the trike through the turn, maintaining a steady throttle to control the speed. Keep your focus on the path ahead, trusting in your skills and the capabilities of your trike. Gradually, with precision, navigate the U-turn. As you complete the turn, straighten your body and allow the trike to regain a straight position. Braking while in the curve. Try to avoid this, but sometimes it becomes necessary. You can brake with both brakes while in the turn, but you must do it gradually and with less force than if the three-wheel motorcycle was going straight. For maximum braking efficiency in an emergency, when traffic and road conditions allow, get the three-wheel motorcycle going straight, then brake hard. Bonus! Thank you for staying with me up to this point in the video. Now I will share with you my bonus practice technique. Choose a practice area. A well-marked parking lot is the best practice area. Be aware, however, of oil left by parked cars. Look for parking lots that are not used all the time at shopping centers, schools, churches, or community centers. For instance, you might use a school lot in the evening hours or a shopping center early in the morning. Once you've selected a suitable location, it's important to gain permission from the owner. Keep this basic parking lot diagram in mind when setting up the exercises. If the parking lot you choose does not have lines, use the dimensions diagram here. Mark them using tape measure and chalk. Traffic is your greatest concern. Make sure you check the front, sides, and rear before doing an exercise. Also, make sure you watch out for children and animals and be considerate of others in the area. Basic turns. Practicing this exercise will help you with turning, such as in curves on highways and winding roads. Right around the oval indicated by markers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Set your speed for the corners by braking as necessary before the turn. Hold a smooth throttle around the markers at the ends of the oval. Repeat the exercise in the other direction. Start your speeds around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Slow down before the turn. Brake if necessary. Look through the turn as to where you want to go. To make things more comfortable, lean your upper body slightly forward and towards the direction of the turn. Hold a steady speed or roll on your throttle through the turn. Make sure you look for that exit point. Do not look down. Keep a smooth throttle. Slow more before the turn. And look where you want to go. Some of the common problems that you may experience are swinging wide on the turn, cutting corners or turning too sharply on the turn, and exiting wide out of the turn, thus making the oval into a circle. Trikes offer a unique and exhilarating riding experience. And mastering turns on these three-wheel machines, it's a journey of excitement and growth. Remember, practice makes progress. Embrace the curves and challenges and the rewards they bring. As you venture out on your trike, don't hesitate to share your experiences, stories, and progress with your fellow riders. We're a community that supports and celebrates one another's accomplishments. I hope you found the tips and techniques helpful in enhancing your riding skills. If you got value from this video, go ahead and share it with your fellow riders, family, and friends. Also, don't forget to watch this video, and I'll see you there.